All right, Javier Figueroa. Hello, and you're back.
Hello, Judge.
Feliz Navidad. All right, court is calling 2025 CR 013450, State versus Javier Figueroa. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Criminal Trial Division? Oh, come forward.
I can stand here.
Thank you.
Michael Villalobos is
For the defense.
Alma Benavides for Mr. Figueroa.
And are you Mr. Figueroa?
Yes. Yes.
And we have an interpreter here. Could you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, and if you'll state your name for the record.
Cesar Chavez, license number 2203.
All right, Mr. Figueroa, all of the documents I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Spanish?
Yes.
And counsel, do you speak Spanish?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you speak it fluently?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you able to explain these documents to your client in Spanish?
Yes. Thank you, Judge.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Figueroa, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
No, yeah, see.
Yes.
All right. How do you say yeah in Spanish?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Yeah. All right. Now I know. If I'm at a loss for words, I'm just like, uh-huh. But then people may be saying, hey, will you give us $1 million? Uh-huh. All right. And state, it appears that you are proceeding on the indictment as presented, correct?
That's correct.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Figueroa, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
No.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No.
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Do you understand?
This warning isn't optional, it's mandatory. Judges must give it, even if the defendant is a U.S. citizen. Why? Because years later, immigration consequences are one of the most common claims defendants raise when trying to undo pleas. The court is future-proofing this conviction.
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 114 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, and there's an $800 fine. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that
Yes,
true?
Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence? All
Yes, Your Honor. At the time, state offer states exhibit number 1 and its attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
right, state you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we're asking the court to follow the plea bargain agreement, and for the record, my client is a U.S. citizen.
All right. The court will sentence you to 114 days in the Bear County Jail on a 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's an $800 fine. Time and money is to run concurrent. There's to be no residing in any households with minors. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. I'm sorry, just 1 second. My computer is doing something crazy.
Deja vu.
Yeah. It's like, oh. Like something from him just popped up in my system. I don't know why it's doing that. All right. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Sir, here's the thing. If you don't stop using drugs, only 1 or 2 things going to end up happening. Either you're going to end up in the prison or at somebody's jail for the rest of your life, or either at some point in time, you're going to get a hold of some bad drugs, or your body's going to react differently, and somebody's going to have to identify your body, because the last time you use may be the last time you use. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. So when you're released from the Bear County Jail, if you can't find a sober support network or transitional housing, if I'm still here, you come back here, I'll pick up the phone, call somebody to help you. But it's completely up to you whether you want the help or not. You understand?
Okay, thank you.
Oh, de nada. And here's the other thing. So legally, regardless of whether people speak Spanish, French, which is my language,
This isn't sentencing anymore. This is a judge speaking as a human being. When courts go off script like this, it's usually because they've seen this story end the same way too many times. Prison or death. No legal jargon, no sarcasm, just brutal honesty.
or any other language. I love languages. I think they're beautiful. And my undergrad, grad school, and law school, there were so many people who were from the continent of Africa. They spoke no less than 6 languages. I was so jealous. I really wasn't supposed to be in San Antonio. I'm supposed to be retired, living in Paris, but here I am, 22, and still doing this. So, hey, there should not be any left. It should be, oh my gosh, she's only 22.
I'm amazed.
Yes. So what I can tell you is legally, everyone who comes before the court, whether they speak English or not, whether they need an interpreter or not, legally, I must give them instructions on if they're not a US citizen. You understand? So it's nothing that the fact that you're speaking Spanish, because I know people who only speak Navajo.
No.
All right? All right, good luck to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Judge.
you.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
May we be excused?
Yes. Blackburn, Anthony Blackburn.
Which briefly,
Sure.
I came earlier for Ashley Sullivan and the files weren't down here. The state finally brought them down. It's a first setting and I got an offer. So I brought her, asked to bring her out. They forgot to bring her over. I think she's somewhere in
Okay,
transit.
just sign in and then I'll take you up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, Anthony Blackburn.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How's it going?
Good. I think I got lost in the shuffle. I put my name on and they crossed me off.
See, this is what happened.
Yeah.
Or maybe this is, you know, people are gonna find out who's naughty or nice. This is like, these are all tests. All right, so on this case, last time we were here for discovery, the arrest videos, other officers' videos, where are we on that?
I've received all discovery from the state last week and we got our first offer today. And we're just needing some time to think about it. We're still conferring with Rick. If you could give us another setting to kind of figure things out, but I think we're gonna have it resolved.
Okay, how old
pretty
are you, sir?
I'm 56, man.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you'll set this for a plea deadline date towards the end of January,
That'd be great, Judge.
and if
Appreciate it.
y'all can do an acknowledgement of discovery before you leave.
You got it. Thank you. Good.
All right, January 27th, on that day, you'll need to let the court know whether you've reached an agreement with the state. If you have not, your next setting will be a jury trial date. All right, thank you. Just have a seat and they'll bring that to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Fatima Malara, thank you. Hi.
They don't let me go.
No, each time you leave, they pull you back in. All right, so where we left off, the expert was trying to determine whether or not this is SBI.
That's correct, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor, I did have, we are proceeding on the indictment as charged currently, Your Honor, and I did want to make the court aware that we will still be receiving medical records as we get those in. I will turn it over to the press.
All right, so now you're on notice that they're going to be proceeding with SBI. And we will do one final setting for discovery, and that will be the final discovery setting.
Yes, Your Honor.
And can you tell me, allegedly, is this involving an adult or not?
No.
All right, and the reason why I asked, because then it may take a little bit of time for medical.
Yes, sir. And I talked to the state about it and they've been very forward and letting me know that as they're receiving medical documents, they're providing to me. And I've been working with Ashley on those issues, so we're okay with that.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this for mid-February for final discovery.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we'll see you back on February 19th.
Yes.
Thank you.
Glasses.
Jonathan Carter,
Good morning, Judge.
good morning.
I'm here for Caitlin Knowles, who's in another county this morning. Mr. Carter's on Zoom.
All right, well, today is plea deadline date.
Yes, Judge, we just received a revised offer from the prosecutor. And if we can get this case reset for a plea.
Right. Norma, recall this for Thursday for a plea. And is he in another county or another state? I think he is.
His mom is having multiple surgeries and he's helping her in Birmingham, Alabama.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure that Thursday for a plea would. We reset to the new year to get her through her surgeries.
No, I'm sorry. Ms. Ferguson, set this for a plea deadline date for Thursday. And I'll explain to you why after I give you your date. So it'll be December 18th. And you may appear by Zoom, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Ferguson will need your his email address and your email address, and you all need to be prepared to Zoom in so you can go over paperwork with him.
Great. Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
That's it. Okay.
But you'll be here?
Oh, I'll
On
be
the
here on
18th?
Thursday.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Got it. Thank you.
All right. Yes, who's next?
I have page 11, first and second one, Ashley Sullivan.
Ashley Sullivan.
Thank you.
Press,